Hi, I'm Erica with Follow Up CRM, and I'm going to show you how to use the Excel Export Report. This report is going to compile data from your project file information. It's based on the login date, so the date that a record or a project was entered into the platform. It's going to have all of your miscellaneous information, your project information, and it's a great report for tracking new leads. This report will help you answer questions like, have we followed up with them? What's the sales status? And did we make sure we got those leads that came in assigned? So let's run the Excel report. I'm going to choose a smaller date range, so I'm going to select the last 7 days. So I want to see the last 7 days as a company, everything that was entered into the platform. Click Get Report. You'll only be able to get it as an Excel spreadsheet because it's an Excel report. Open File. And here you'll be able to see your report. If your team has decided to use custom fields at the bottom of your miscellaneous information area, those fields will export to this report as well. And that's it.